Well, Arvind is a buy with a stop of 142, target of 157. M&M Financial is a buy with a stop of 273, target of 290. And Canara Bank is a buy with a stop of 242, target of 264.
We've got ideas which span across various kinds of sectors. So, we are not also of the view that the gains in one sector will come at the cost of some of the defenses or something. It was amply illustrated by ITC today, for example, that even in FMCG you could probably find ideas which can probably perform, and so that's a very large cap FMCG stock which has made a fairly decent comeback. We are also buyers in IT. We think some of the IT companies also, despite the rupee appreciation, we've also not seen as much of a rupee appreciation. Of course, it can appreciate further, but we think that in technology companies, the valuations are still reasonably good. They're not trading at some very fancy 20x plus valuations, and barring a couple of them, which make themselves, nor is the outlook for growth even without the currency angle looking less promising. So to that extent, even IT, we find quite a lot of opportunities in that space. We like companies in the port and port related services sector, so that's something which we are fairly bullish about. So I think it's a combination of stocks across these. Some of the names that we've already disclosed in our which we keep disclosing on our large cap fund as well as in our recent mid cap offering, are some of the companies that we are clearly bullish on. So there are a few names in that which clearly excite us. For example, Sundaram Finance is one which looks very good to us. So we're very positive on CRISIL and the like. So these are names which we already own in our portfolio, and that is something that we clearly prefer.